Hey guys, welcome to Buy Best Price, and today I have come with another video, and I will show you three models of LG, which is 260 liters, and there are three colors. You can see here 1, 2, and 3. So I will be talking about the features, pricing, and warranty, and all those things. You just have to watch the full video. Okay, let's start the video. So I'll be talking about the first warranty of this product. As it is a model of 260 liter, so LG is providing 1 year complete warranty on this model and 10-year warranty on compressor. As it is a 3-star, so it is going to take 198 units per year. And here you can see the Auto Smart Connect. It will be work without a stabilizer, so there is no need to put any stabilizer in it, as it is a linear inverter model, so it will take a very little electricity consumption. And as you can see here, the three of colors of this, and I will provide the buying link in the description box. You can easily go there and check the prices of all the models. The features are same on these three models, so I have already told you about the features. So let's go to one thing also. There is not a handle. Here is providing the pocket handle, so you can see the finishing of this pocket handle. Let me show you the another product. These are the pocket handles. So let's go to enter the fridge. Here you will get the shelves, which is very good quality of material, and it is a good plastic. Here you will get the 4 shelves, and you can easily hold here 3 to 4 bottles in it. And this pocket shelves, here you can put little things, petty things, whatever you want. Let's go to enter the fridge. As soon as you enter here the fridge, you will see here the door cooling option, so by which you can easily cool this door very soon. Let's see the convertible options here, the freezer convertible and super chill button. And here are some manual features by which you can set your fridge. Let's talk about the shelf, and it has a toughened glass shelf. So here are 3 shelves by which you can put all the materials and stuffs, whatever you want to put here. Let's go to the down. Here is a vegetable box, and it is a convertible box, so you can easily put here fruits and vegetables. It is a large box. So it has a 260 liter of capacity of all models. This is Scarlet Charm color. I think this color is very beautiful from the other two, but some people like these and this. You can easily choose according to your favorite model, favorite color. So this is all about the fridge, and it has a convertible feature also. It has 260 liter of capacity, and I will be provide the description link in the buying link, so you can go there and easily find these models buying link. And if you want to know more about the fridge and home appliances things, so you can go and subscribe our channel YouTube, which is a Buy Best Price YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, so you can like our Facebook page, so that you can get the notification when we upload a new video. Okay, and we have a website also, which is www.buybestprice.in, and there you will find a lot of posts about fridge, washing machine, coolers, and AC, and all those things. Go to the website and check according to your need. This is all about today, and I will come tomorrow from another new video which can increase your knowledge about home appliances. Okay, bye bye, thank you.